Okay, here's the pet drinking fountain from Amazon. It says it's got 5 to 7 days capacity. Okay, maybe. Whisper quiet LED water level. And it's 2.2 litres capacity. So let's open it up and have a look. Okay, picking up, so here what we got in the box. It comes with a couple of spare kind of filters which look like they go on the little pump. A couple of water filters which go into this housing here. Comes with a spout. I'll just pause it here and assemble it. Okay, so I've assembled it, very straightforward. The filter just clipped into the housing. It said you had to soak it for 30 seconds before you put it in. Just activated, I suppose. This spout just gets pushed straight in. You've got a nice steady flow. Surprisingly, if I pull this out, it doesn't go crazy either, so that might be another way to use it if your pet prefers. And there it is, got the viewing glass here with a blue light, so you can kind of see your min and max. Haha, it's quite funny. There's the min and there's the max, so that thing's been inserted upside down. Okay, yep, overall it looks really great. The cord, for my purposes, is actually a bit too short, but yeah, it looks really good. Comes with a spare filter, the instructions tell you how to clean it, and also it comes with this USB adapter, and it is an Australian plug, so you're basically good to go with everything you need. Enjoy.
We are enjoying this so far. It is a lot smaller than the picture. Probably about the width of my hand here. So not very large, but the water pressure here is really good. I like this single spout. This seems to be a lot better than the more flowery multi-port spouts that you see. So I really enjoy how much water is coming out of this. It's a nice little light here. He's really enjoying this. So not too bad.
And then, no, we'll never break up the group. We'll never fight. No, we wouldn't do that. We wouldn't do that.
This one still stings. TC Carson.
That's mama's girl.